telling about the Caladium sanguium. Caladium sanguium is the homeopathy medicine that American Aram. This remedy has the marked action of gentle organs and on pruritus of the region, coldness of single part with an inclination to lie down, aggravation on lying on the left side, suggested noise starless from sleep, dreads of motion, modifies craving for tobacco, tobacco hearts, asthmatics complaints, heads. The symptoms of heads of Caladium sanguineum, headache and mental states of smokers, very forgetful, does not know about the occurrence of things, confuse headache with pain in the shoulder, pressure in the eye and forehead, extremely sensitive to noise, throbbing in the ears. Caladium sanguineum, stomach symptoms, gnawing of stomachs of artifice, which prevent deep breathing, irritation, stomach feel full of dry food, sensation of fluttering, acrid vomiting, thirstless, tolerates only warmth drinks, sanguine respiration. Male. The effect of Caladium of male pruritus glands very red, organs seem larger, puffed, relaxed, cold swelling, sweating, scale of scrotum is thick, erection when half asleep, cause when fully awake, impotence, relaxation of penis during excitement, no emission and no orgasms during embrace. Female. The work of symptoms females of Caladium, pruritus of the vulva and vagina during pregnancy, hydrogen peroxide 1.1 अनुपात 1.2 locality, vulvopuctions, pneumophosmania, cramping, pain in the uterus at night, respiratory, larynx, shims, concentrated breathing, dead, catheria, asthma, mucus not readily rancid, patient afraid to go to sleep, skin, sweets attracts file, insects bites, bum and itch, intensely itching rush alternates with asthma, boring sensation and irrepressible inflammation, modalities better after sweets after sleeping in the daytime. Rose motion. Relationship incomplete arm. That's called brighter carbs after caladium sanguinum. Its work very hard of gentle part.